Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Bank of America to Chase in 2025. Whether you're switching banks, paying off a loan, or just managing your finances more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have online access to both your Bank of America and Chase accounts. You'll need your login details, and it's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication for security. Now, log into your Bank of America account through their website or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually front and center in the dashboard. Next, look for an option to add an external account. This is where you'll link your Chase account. You'll need to enter your Chase account number and routing number, which you can find in your Chase app or on their website. Bank of America might ask you to verify the account by making a couple of small test deposits, so keep an eye on your Chase account for those. Once the accounts are linked and verified, it's time to initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to move, choose your Bank of America account as the source, and your Chase account as the destination. Double-check all the details to avoid any mistakes. Remember, transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on the method you use, like ACH or wire transfer. A quick heads up: there might be fees involved, especially for wire transfers, so check both banks' policies beforehand. Also, ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transfer amount plus any potential fees. In 2025, both banks have upgraded their apps for smoother experiences, so take advantage of features like scheduled transfers if you need them. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your money. If you run into any issues, both Bank of America and Chase have excellent customer support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.